everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video we're going to go over how many shrimp are in a pound and also what is the shrimp count, meaning how do you know if it's medium, large, or extra large shrimp. So we're going to go over that in this video. And right now we're just down here on Shrimp Creek, beautiful Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. You see the shrimp boats and you see the restaurants in the background. And now we're going to head over to the seafood market and see about getting a few pounds of shrimp and going over how many shrimp are in a pound. So while I was at the seafood market, I decided to go ahead and go with a pound of large shrimp. And as you can see, I put the pound of shrimp into this bowl. And a pound is a pound, of course. So if you get medium, large, you get a pound, you're going to get a pound of shrimp. But this is where the count comes in. And for large shrimp, you should expect between 31 and 35 shrimp in a pound. And medium, you might expect 41 to 45 shrimp in a pound. And of course, jumbos might be around 16 to 20. And you're going to have fewer shrimp, but bigger shrimp. And that's the count. So this bowl here with this pound has 33 shrimp in it, which falls in between the 31 and the 35 shrimp you should expect to get in your pound of shrimp. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet, if you do that now, that'd be great. We appreciate it. Or give us a like. And we hope now you understand the shrimp count and how many shrimp you should expect to get when you order a pound of the different sizes. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. And as always, have a great day and thank you for watching.